Okay, so in this module, I'm going to be showing how to buy domains and hosting in Nigeria. All right, in module 1, we use foreign company strictly, but here we're going to be using local company in this practical step. All right, now I use two different companies in Nigeria. The link to the two of them are here. For domain, the first link here is what I use. All right, while for hosting I use the second link here. The reason why I use two different companies for domain is that the company I use for buying domain have different options, a lot of varieties. All right, however, they have shown me some shaggy when it comes to hosting of my files previously, where I experienced a lot of sluggishness. So, but the second company, that one is limited in terms of domain options, but I'm able to buy, a good hosting service with them. So, of course, in the process of time, you can also explore the different companies and compare them for yourselves. But let's just get started. First, let's buy a domain by clicking on this link. So here we enter the domain I would like to buy here. Let's say I want to buy the domain wonderful.com. Okay, it says this is not available. Let's assume I add ng.com. ng.com is available, but the price is what? 15,000 naira, right? Okay, one other reason why I use this company to buy domain is because their domains are usually cheaper. All right, look at this. Let me show you something. This second company here for hosting, let's open that one too. For hosting, let's assume I want to buy a domain there. Click on domain. The same wonderful.com. Let's check. Okay, wonderful.ng.com is available, right? But the price is way much more higher here. Oh, where's the price? The price. Okay, now to waste time. .com here is 20,000 naira. .com here is what? 20,000 naira. But here is what? 15,000 naira. Okay. Now, you will have seen a lot of Nigerian business websites ending on .com.ng. .com.ng. Well, number one reason for this is that .com.ng is the cheapest extension you will come across in Nigerian space, right? Also, .com.ng makes it easy for such a business to be identified with the Nigerian ecosystem. Okay, so if I were to buy .com.ng, let me see how much it will go for. Okay, .com.ng is not available. Okay, let me see. Let me just put, you just alter the name. Let's say the name of the company I want to design for is Wonderful. and by all means wonderful must appear in the link. You can see if the different options I'm trying is telling me unavailable, but I want wonderful to be there. Then I need to add one or two things to the ending or to a part of the name for me to be able to get wonderful. That's what I'm doing here. So okay, now you say wonderfulng.com.ng is available, but what's the price? 2,100 naira only. All right, so you see that this is far cheaper than what the other one.com. Also, you can explore .org. Okay, here in this place, okay, .africa is 9,000. .ng. We also have .ng 75.shop. Okay, these are prices for different extension, but let's go with the one that we want to buy now. We add this to carts. Let's add this to carts. So it has been added. Let's view carts. So it's here already, right? So let's check out. You click on I have read and I agree with terms and conditions. Check out. Okay, sorry, I didn't fill that form. Let me go fill it. Look at, okay, this is the form is referring to. Let me fill it with my information. So the email address I want to use is not this. Let me use okay, so now let me generate password, copy it. You can decide to use any password of your own, but me, I just prefer to generate the password. Control A, delete that one, paste the one that you just. So payment method, let's use Paystack for your payment method. Okay, then okay, I think I should be able to check out now. Okay, please correct the following errors. Okay, let me check where is that coming from. Okay, the error is here. Nine plus 2 is what? 11, alright? So, for the password, I need to paste it. Okay. You should be able to check out now. Click on checkout. Okay, so let's make payments. Payment method. Okay, Paystack. Click on make payment. Let me use bank transfer to make payment. So I'll be making this payment. Okay, so as soon as the money was sent here, say payment successful. All right, so now I've bought the domain, right? Okay, while their site is loading, let's say other place, continue to client area. Okay, now so I have one domain purchased. So what I'm going to do is I will need to click on these three dots on the right. And then you say what? Manage domain, manage name server. Don't forget we are using a hosting company different from the company where we are buying domain. So we click on manage name server. Manage name server. Now come back to this your learning page. You see, we are using the name server of this company, Who's Boldly. So copy this, come back to this place. And you so you come to this page where you have name servers here, right? What you are expected to do is to enter the name server that you have. You copy the name server from this place, the place that you are sending it to. You paste the first one here. Come back here. Sorry. Copy the second one. Ctrl C. Go back there. Paste it. Now click on name, change name server. You say you have what? Change name server successfully. You have been able to change the name server. So although the name server is on a company, on this company TrueHost, we have pointed it to where we want to host everything that has to do with this website that we are creating. And the link again is what? wonderfulng.com.ng. So now what we want to do is to buy our domain, hosting. So come to this, we've opened this, or you come back to your learning dashboard to click on the link for what? Hosting. You click on it for hosting, then it opens up for you. Click on get started. So you get started by creating an account. Okay, it's saying login. Let me create an account. So I'm going to be creating an account now. I use the autofiller, and then the email address I want to use is okay. So I'm creating my. I still like to use the email generator. Of course, I'll change it at any time. Close it. Paste. Delete. Paste it. Now you enter the reCAPTCHA there. NB4128 and click on register. So you see that everything here is 0000. For us to buy hosting, click on services and click on order new service. Now they have different hosting packages. For this practice purpose, let's use this bronze package and click on order now. Now it will give you different options. Register a new domain, transfer your domain from another registrar. I will use my existing domain. Now the last option here is what we are going to be applying, because we have the name with the company with another, the domain in another company, and so I will use my existing domain and update my name server. So the domain we are using, you enter the name, which is wonderfulng.com.ng. Okay, so click on use .com.ng. Remove this. Okay, so it will bring you to this page. So for this practice purpose, I'm only buying monthly basis. All right. So eventually for your own main job, you may buy annually. All right, whatever. But for practice purpose, I just want to buy for monthly, this monthly package. So I'll click on continue. Now I'll move down. How do I want to make payment? Okay, enter the reCAPTCHA here. 5ZYBRG and click on checkout. So okay, let me see. Bank transfer. Let's use Paystack. Okay. Click on pay now. want to use bank transfer. Oh, sorry, I'll use transfer method. Okay, so as soon as the payment is made, payment successful, it will redirect to the next page for me. So don't forget, I've already added my name. I've changed the name server. All right. From this place here, I already did name server changing. Now on this place, so what I will do now is I'll click on continue to client area. Let me refresh the page again. It's supposed to show one here. Okay, the system is still processing the payment. Okay, click on my services. Okay, the status is showing pending, so can wait a little to check it. But say view details. Okay. Let me see, can I log into my cPanel yet? You cannot log in yet because the status is still pending. So we'll give it a little time. Okay. Okay, so you can hasten up the process by using their support. Open a ticket, submit ticket, general inquiry, technical, let's say technical, open technical. Okay, priority, high priority, type your message here. I have paid for hosting using, so you just type whatever you want to type here. Automatic paste stack, payment option, but it is showing pending. Please activate the hosting. So you may need to wait for a little while for the hosting to be activated. Come down, enter that reCAPTCHA RNEXP2, then click on submit. Okay, you may as well send them an email. Where's the email support? Just to be okay. Click on the logo, let's see. Okay, look at their email support here. You can also send them an email to this. Alright, you can just select it and send a message to them. All right.